Himalaya, Hyderabad. This video lecture is on morphine. Learning outcomes. Students can able to know introduction, history, source, properties and uses, isolation, structure, mechanism of action, pharmacological effects and side effects. Introduction. It is one of the important constituent among the opium alkaloids, the amount being nearly around 3 to 23% of the total alkaloid. The other two closely related alkaloids of opium are codeine and thebaine. Due to the presence of phenanthrene nucleus, these are also known as phenanthrene alkaloids. You can see the structure of phenanthrene ring. History. Morphine was isolated from raw opium in the year 1805 by a German pharmacologist, Frederick William Adam Sertner, during the years 1783 to 1841. Morphine is a potent suppressor of pain and is a very useful drug in painful conditions, especially in severe chest pain arising due to heart attacks. It also induces sleep in no time. Source. Synonyms of morphine are, you can also call it as opium, gum opium, poppy or poppy capsules. It is obtained from dried latex of unripe capsules of papaver species by making vertical insertions of depth 0.1 to 0.5 mm. The species from which you can obtain morphine are Papaver somnifer, Papaver bracteatum, Papaver oriental, Papaver in Rios. It requires approximately 10 kg of raw opium to produce 1 kg of morphine. Try to answer this question. Next, coming to the properties and uses, morphine is colorless prismatic substance. Melting point is found to be 254 degrees centigrade. Taste is found to be bitter. It's a levoretardatory, used as analgesic and sedative. Isolation. The collected latex from the unripe fruit is treated with 2 to 3 volumes of methylene chloride, whereby papaverine, narcotin and gum gets removed. Methylene chloride collect the methylene chloride extract and it is allowed to evaporate, and the residue that is obtained is treated with dilute HCl, which is further treated with charcoal and then filtered. The filtrate is neutralized with ammonia. Thereby you can get the precipitate of morphine. Structure. It is a primary alkaloid in opium family. Its pentacyclic carbon ring structure. Only levorotatory isomer is active. It has 6 functional groups: a tertiary nitrogen at position 17, hydroxylic group attached at carbon 3, hydroxylic group attachment at 6th carbon. There is an ether bridge or an ether linkage between 4 and 5, double bond between carbon 7 and 8, hydrogen atom at C14. The N-methyl group which is present is mainly responsible for the analgesic activity. Coming to the mechanism of action, morphine, after binding to the opioid receptors which are present in the brain, it inhibits the enzyme adenylate cyclase, which is a G-coupled receptor. Because of this binding and inhibition of the adenyl cyclase, there is a decreased concentration of cyclic AMP. When there is decreased concentration of cyclic AMP, potassium channels get opened, calcium channels get blocked. So, when potassium channels are opened, potassium will be moving out of the cell and calcium entry is blocked. Thereby, the concentration of calcium intracellularly is decreased, which leads to the inhibition of neuronal activity. Pharmacological effects. First one is it causes sedation and anxiolysis. Symptoms of sedation and anxiolysis are drowsiness and lethargy, apathy, cognitive impairment, sensitivity of tranquility. Second one is depression of respiration. The main cause of death from opioid overdose is combination of opioid and alcohol, in which is especially dangerous. Third pharmacological effect is cough suppression. Opioids suppress the cough centers in the brain. Fourth one is pupillary constriction. Pupillary constriction in the presence of analgesic is characteristic of good opioid. Last one is side effects. Respiratory depression, nausea, pupil constriction, constipation, euphoria, tolerance, and dependence. Thank you for listening.